Oh, the sad part is, today is the day she will die.
Hang himself like a piñata? Should I hit him like a piñata?
No, misfortune. He's dead.
Dead? But he's wearing a pair of sweet boots. He can't be dead. Oh, check this out. More kids are missing. If I go missing, how will I tell Mommy? Look, that's me. Mommy told me I have to smile, even when I'm sad.
Ugh, it smells like cigarettes in here.
Yeah, that's my mommy. She also likes to drink juice a lot. Mr. Voice, why does everyone leave me? Oh, Mr. Voice, everything I touch breaks. What's wrong with me? That's a lot of cash. Is this the eternal happiness?
Oh no, what makes you think that?
Mommy said that money is the only thing that makes her happy. The stone Daddy threw at me once.
Interesting choice.
Yeah, I call him Stony because he's a stone. Get it?
Stony the stone. That's very clever.
Thank you.
Well then, the last question. Do you feel loved?
No, that's why I like my Stony so much. He's just a rock and doesn't get angry or sad. I wish I could be like that sometimes. You're scaring me, stop it! Leave me alone! I'm back! Mommy, don't ignore me. Are you angry because I couldn't get the happiness for you? Is that...
The sad part is, today is the day she will die.
Oh no, what have I done?